All right, March 12th, 2022. Real quick video today. I said I was going to touch up a little bit on the stock market. I just want to talk about a portfolio move. I decided to go from Barrick Gold being at number 2 for the top position, and I replaced it with Rio Tinto, stock ticker Rio, RIO. Easy to remember. I just like the dividends better. I think Barrick Gold at the number 2 spot is a pretty good play. But overall, I talked about it plenty of times on this video blog. When it comes to precious metals and precious metals only portfolio, I prefer the ratio 70-30, working on 80-20 when it comes to actual physical versus speculating or investing in precious metals equities such as ETFs or miners. And the reason is the times that we are in and what's coming down the pike. I don't feel comfortable having a lot of cash, and for me the amount that means a lot may be way less or a lot more for you. Obviously everybody's got their own I call it bankroll to work with, your own numbers. Let's just stick with the basic number here, $10,000, which is kind of realistic. If you had that in precious metals portfolio, you can do a quick math here. 7,000 or so would be in physical, 3,000 in the equities. Okay, a lot of people are working with a lot more money here. I don't want to go obviously into details what I'm doing, but that's just the ratio I covered on previous videos. And again, I believe a lot of these mines could get nationalized. We will see nickel moment, 200% plus rise in one day. And the reason is this scam, what they're doing, the Ponzi with the paper derivatives. I know you guys heard about this. I know it seems like it's never going to end. It is going to end, and right now it's accelerating with this Russia-Ukraine issue, and it looks like that's not stopping. Okay, it looks like Russia is going deep into Ukraine, and things are getting really rough out there in Europe. Okay, and this is going to accelerate panic. People will go back to what worked for 5,000 plus years, which is physical gold and silver, and you will see a rush like you've never seen before. And this is going to create way bigger issue than what happened with nickel when trading halted. Okay, it is going to get it will be biblical. That's what I truly believe it's going to happen. And once that happens and you see your portfolio go insane, they will either halt trading completely, you cannot take your cash out, or they will just nationalize these mines. I just can't trust it. I mean, we've seen crude oil go $38 into negative 2 years ago. Okay, it didn't stay there too long. It was just a temporary drop, but it happened. People were globally locked down because of the virus that had, what was it, 1%, if not less? You had 1% chance of dying if you even catch this thing, and they lock small businesses down. I mean, we've seen stuff that even I'm getting, I'm not going to say getting caught off guard. It's just things are coming so fast that it's like, whoa, they actually did this? That's at the point that we are in right now, okay? So again, you do whatever you think it's best for you. I want to speculate in precious metals equities because there is a chance that they could just go parabolic, and you could get lucky. We could get lucky to get the cash out. Mines may not get nationalized. It could work out, but like I said, the risk to me is a lot bigger now than ever. And a lot of people, I think, are approaching to this very irresponsibly, thinking they are playing it the right way. They are counting. It's almost like a for sure thing, and they're going 95%. into equities, 5% physical, maybe 10, the typical Jim Rickards, and a lot of guys will tell you that's not, we are not in times like we were 10 years ago, 15, 20 years ago. This is different. And the difference is communism is taking a stronghold globally right now. Whether you want to hear this or not, whether you believe it or not, it is happening right now as I'm recording this video. And the amount of debt that so many countries are in, especially the unfortunately divided states of America are in, is to the levels that a lot of people couldn't even, they couldn't even write about in a novel, in a fiction novel, whatever they're called. That's where we're looking at right now. So yeah, I am not very comfortable with holding large position, not even in miners, because of all these issues that I just outlined here. You guys let me know what you think. You let me know how you're approaching to this whole mess that we are witnessing on a daily basis, and what do you think is coming down the pike here. I don't know how long the dollar will continue to be reserved currency. This thread generated a lot of comments. I asked over under 2 years. I think it's going to be under, but I also believe it will be another reserved currency that's going to be ushered in with the dollar. I don't think dollar is just going to die, but I do believe it will be another reserved currency, possibly 3. That's what I think within 2 years. I think something will happen. Actually, honestly, it can happen next week. That's how quickly things are moving now with countries like China, of course, and Russia trying to bypass the dollar. That's been happening for a while, and with this war again, it accelerated so many things right now, and it will happen soon. And then, of course, we will see the digital dollar, that's for sure. That might be a little longer than 2 years. That might be 4 years, but we will see that for sure. It's priced in already. And cryptocurrencies paved the way for this, and Apple Pay and everything, that people cannot wait because of convenience to use all this fancy stuff all the time, and it will be ushered in very easily. And if that doesn't work, which it will, they will just say, okay, here's the deal. We're going to send you $10, $20 if you download this app, even if you did not want to, and it's, free money. And the sheeple will do what sheeple does, right? They will just follow the herd, and they will do this and not know what it actually means. It's total digital enslavement of the society. Again, this channel is not to scare you. This channel is to prepare you. Let me know what you think about this. We will talk soon. I got to buy some hay because you know what? I got some snow going on again, okay? Unreal. Almost in April here, approaching April, and I got snow and grass now that looked really good is now covered in snow. So I got to get hay, and I did not plan for this. So this was unexpected cash out of pocket, and I'm not in the best mood right now, as you can tell the way I look. But then again, who cares? These cows will just get bigger, and it's all about the weight and purity. Okay? That's what it comes down to. That's what I believe. The real things, weight and purity. Gold, silver. What's the purity? What's the weight? Take care. We will talk soon. I'm out.